Okay, here we go with lawnmower. All right. So I've already kind of worked the dog a little bit with vacuum cleaner, lawnmower, doesn't matter what it is. So getting them used to the lawnmower, mowing it, pushing it back and forth, feeding it, having dogs around it that aren't afraid of lawnmowers, making noise with it. Puppies shouldn't, they're going to fear things, but that's why it's good to have dogs that aren't afraid of things. Because he'll learn from my dogs. So, now, the fun begins. I tethered them because we don't want them to go into flight mode, which is what they'll do. Okay? Now, back. Stick back. Alright. So, oops, here's my lab, and of course you met Tamar. And give them one treat. Hey, don't be crabby. Don't be crabby. Watch me. Watch me. Good. That's Tamar's. So that's it. Hopefully that did well. Oh, I get to see my ugly mug on here. And this is this is my yard. And here's the tree that fell. And we're picking that up today. So I'm pretty darn tired. Okay.